the school opens its gates. Chirping birds sing a song, all the squirrels run along as we happily walk the lane. Butterflies color bright, touch a petal in their right. All the flowers are smiling again. We shall do everything the right way. Right way is when we learn and play. We shall do everything the right way. Right way is when we learn and play. Right way is when we learn and play. Thank you.
Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Republic Day is one of India's most important national holidays, celebrated annually on 26 January. It commemorates the day in 1950 when the Constitution of India came into effect, establishing the country as a republic. The Constitution, crafted under the leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, symbolize India's democratic ideals, where citizens elected government. This day celebrates the nation's journey toward independence and the principles of justice, equality, and democracy enshrined in the Constitution. In New Delhi, a grand celebration unfolds at Rajpath, starting with an Indian Army parade from Vijay Chowk to India Gate. The President of India hoists the national flag and the armed forces, Army, Navy and Air Force pay tribute with a parade and a 21-gun salute. The event showcases India's advanced military equipment and includes tableaus from various states, depicting their unique cultures and traditions, emphasizing the country's unity in diversity. Bravery awards such as the Paramveer Chakra and Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar are presented to soldiers and children for their extraordinary contributions. The parade also includes performance by school children, marching bands, and folk dancers, culminating in a display of flower petals in the colors of the Indian flag showered from helicopters. Across the nation, schools and colleges celebrate with flag hosting ceremonies, patriotic songs and performance reflecting India's rich history and freedom struggle. Republic Day serves as a reminder of citizens' responsibilities to uphold democratic values and work collectively for a brighter future.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And good morning everyone. Respected guests, Principal Sir, teachers, parents and my dear friends. On this special day, as we celebrate the 76th Republic Day of India, I extend my warm greeting to all of you. This day reminds us our journey of a democratic nation and the values enshrined on our Constitution, adopted on this day in 1950. The words "we, the people of India," underline the foundation of our democracy, upholding justice, equality, and freedom, crafted by visionary leaders like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Our Constitution continues to guide us forward. As we progress through an era of elixir leading to a centenary of our independence, let us remember our fundamental duties alongside our rights. It is through our collective efforts and responsibility that we can achieve the vision of developed nation. India's achievements in 2024 has been remarkable. Financial inclusion has empowered millions through the National Mission of Financial Inclusion and rural electrification. The centralized housing system have transformed lives with women benefiting the most. Digital connectivity has revolutionized access to education, healthcare and services, with UPI recording 170 billion transactions. Women's innovation in governance, advancements in healthcare, infrastructure, growth, and thriving startup ecosystem.